Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chrysler 300, guys. If you have a Chrysler 300 and you need to find the relay for the engine starter, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to test the relay, and if your Chrysler 300 does not start or does not crank, we'll explain what else could be causing that. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So what we have specifically here, guys, we have a 2000, okay, I forgot the exact year, but it's a 3.6 engine that we have right here. This is, guys, the fuse box that we need to check. Now, this is a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be about the same. How do you guys find the relay for the starter? You click here, you press towards each other and you pull straight up. Check it out. Flip it on the side. Now, the relay that we need to find for that engine starter, guys, is actually known as relay 27. Make sure to stay with us and we'll explain how to test them as well. This is, guys, relay 27. That's the relay that you need to check. Now, how do you guys remove that relay? You grab it with your hands and just wiggle it and it comes out. If you guys need to see how to test relay, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test relay. Also, we will put a link to a special place where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can buy relays at a really good price. And I recommend to even keep some spare ones always in your glove box, because you may be down the road and if one of those goes bad, you cannot practically start your car or any of the other ones, maybe for the air conditioner or anything else like that. So if you check the relay, you check the fuses for the engine starter, and your Chrysler 300 is still not cranking, we, guys, actually have a special video that explains why Chrysler 300 does not crank and how to fix that. The video will be on the channel. We'll have video how to replace starter on the 3.6 engine as well. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.